Ever opened a massive document and thought, there's no way I'm reading all that? Imagine if Python could just speak it out to you. Yep, in 5 minutes, I turned Python into my very own narrator. And today I'm showing you how. Turning Python into a narrator in 5 minutes. Ugh, I have to read this?
Hey, I can read this for you.
Seriously? Sweet, I'll just listen to this. Now, I know what you're thinking. Python? Scripts? Sounds complicated, but trust me, if you can copy and paste, you're 90% there. This script takes only about 5 minutes to set up, and then, boom, it's reading back to you like your personal audio assistant. Ready? Let's get you from reader to listener. All right, step 1, open up your favorite Python editor. Step 2, we're going to install a library called pipx3. Think of it as the voice box for your computer. Just type pip install pipx3 and watch as Python works its magic. Now we're giving your computer the vocal cords it's always wanted. No karaoke nights required. Next up, let's write a few lines to make this happen. First, import the library like this. Import pipx3. Then, set up the voice engine with engine equals pipx3.init. Basically, we're creating a talking robot here. No big deal, right? But hold up. It's not enough to just make Python talk. We need it to sound awesome. First, let's tackle the speed. By default, Python talks at 200 words per minute, which is basically chipmunk level fast. Let's bring it down to a nice, relaxed 150. All right, let's make Python loud and proud. We're cranking the volume to the max. Go big or go home, right? So now Python's voice is clear, confident, and just like your favorite radio host, totally in your face. But let's add some character to Python's voice. Switching voices is like choosing which Python personality you want. Let's go with the female voice because, hey, variety keeps things interesting. Voices equals engine.get property. Open voices close engine.set property. Open voice comma voices open one close dot ID close. Now, Python's got a new vibe. It's like Python's ready to take on the world, one word at a time. Here's where the magic happens. With just one line, we can convert any text to speech. Engine dot, say, quote, your text here, quote, dot. That's it. It's like handing your computer a microphone and telling it to read aloud. You'll feel like you've unlocked a hidden superpower. All right, moment of truth. Let's make this thing talk. I'm going to run the script and type engine.run and wait. And type this on your terminal, python3 your file name.py. Then hit enter.
Hey you, stop scrolling and get back to work. Just kidding, you're doing great.
Boom, now your computer can talk and you didn't even break a sweat. Now that you've got the basics, imagine the possibilities. Want it to read you bedtime stories? Go for it. Need help going through notes? It's got you. With just a few lines, you've turned Python into a personal assistant. Or, just use it to make your computer say weird things to your friends. I won't judge. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, maybe even a subscribe. And let me know in the comments what else you'd love to automate. And hey, who knew Python could be this talkative?